Hi, faithful caregiver. Today we're going to be talking about what you can do in the bathroom to make it a safer and more pleasant experience for everyone. There are 3 tips that I'm going to give you in this particular video. The first one is the shower seat. When you get a shower seat, make sure it's one that has handles on it. Some of them are just like flat across. That is not going to make your loved one feel very safe and secure when they're trying to get in the shower, even if you're helping them. So just make sure you get that shower seat with handles on it. Also, if you have a tub and not a walk-in shower, you can get shower seats that go straight across that tub, and that will make it a lot easier for them to sit down and slide across into the tub with. So the shower seat is the main thing that I think is really important. And I'm going to show you what I did in my mom's bathroom because it was redone like years before she got dementia, and I would never do it again. So I'm going to throw a picture up and show you that I would never do this again with a shower seat in a bathroom because number one, that bathroom was really small. So if I had had to have taken mom in there with a wheelchair, it would not have fit between the built-in shower seat and the commode where it was sitting. So that's one thing I recommend. Don't do that if it's in a tiny area because you want to be able to get them in there in a wheelchair if that's necessary. What you can do is get someone to install a shower seat that collapses, like it folds up against the wall. But if you do that, please make sure it's got legs on it. I heard a contractor say that you need the legs to make it stable when you bring it down because if not, eventually that shower seat's going to either sag or just give way completely. So that's just something to keep in mind. The second thing is the grab bars. A lot of people aren't sure about putting grab bars in, how many they need, and I'm like, put in as many as you can because those come in so handy. And again, if you can't do it yourself, I would hire a contractor even to install those grab bars because you want to make sure they go in the studding, because if not, then they could give way very easily if they are just put in through the sheetrock. So that's something also to keep in mind. And one other thing, I heard on one of the platforms that I'm on a lady talking about getting the grab bars that have suction cups on them, but they would fall off. She couldn't leave them up. So what she had to do every time was right before her loved one got in the shower, she would take them off and then she would re-establish them on that wall to make sure that they were really tight suction at the time. So you don't want to just leave those there and assume that they are going to be stable every time. I redo them every time like she did also. Third thing, the shower head. Just a warning or upfront thought process, when you get shower heads, some of those shower heads, water saver ones, can be very forceful and sting, and I learned that from experience. My son-in-law had put one in one of their showers and I was with them for a few days, and when I get in the shower it was literally stinging my skin, and I'm like, what in the world? And I thought, well, maybe I'm just tender skinned today or something, and I kind of let it pass by. Well, then his daughter went in and she got her shower and she came out going, that thing hurts. What is wrong with that water? It hurts when it hits you. Well, so of course he took it down and put the old one back up because it didn't hurt. So just be aware of that. And if your loved one makes comments like that, like, oh, this stings or it hurts or it's too forceful, please don't ignore that because it is to them. Even if it's not to you, it is to them. So just adjust what they need adjusted so that they won't feel like they're just being condescended to or that they're not worthy enough even to have consideration given to them when they are in pain from a shower head water just forcefully hitting you. So those are the 3 tips for today: the shower seat, the grab bars, and the shower head. Oh, and in the shower head, I had them got the one that was on a rod or a bar that goes up and down. That way, if your loved one is in that shower and they're in there by themselves, they can reach it because it just adjusts. That made huge differences in how my mom was able to be showered and to do it by herself because I could just reach and hand that to her and she could do a lot of what she needed done because she could have that in her hand. That 6-foot extension. I think there's some of them are shorter, but I would get the 6-foot one because it kind of goes all over that bathtub area. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye. Of course, I forgot to say that I am an Amazon associate. If you click on any affiliate links, I may receive a small commission. There, I've said it. I keep forgetting to say that, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.